Bullish, the diagram cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 42 cents and 79 cents by 2030. Market experts accept GRT could reach 32 cents by 2025. Bearish, the chart market cost expectation for 2023 is 7 cents. The chart presentation, the diagram's emphasis on availability through engineer instruments makes it extraordinary. By making it simple for engineers to file and question information from Ethereum decentralized applications, the chart desires to record the world's public APIs and become the essential way app designers cooperate with blockchain information. Ordering conventions are significant on the grounds that they give a method for coordinating data put away on decentralized networks like Ethereum. These conventions empower engineers to assemble applications that can question this information in a proficient way. While there are a few ordering conventions accessible, the chart stands apart because of its convenience for engineers. This variable, joined with its emphasis on questioning information from Ethereum dApps, makes it a promising task with expected mass allure. What is the diagram? The chart is an ordering convention for questioning organizations based on Ethereum. Its central goal is to make it simple for designers to make decentralized applications that can question the information put away in these organizations. The diagram token is the local cryptographic money of the chart organization. It is utilized by engineers to pay for questions made to the organization and compensated to the people who power hubs that have application information. The diagram might seem like other ordering conventions like IPFS, BigChain, and Filecoin. The diagram token major examination. The diagram's essential use case is ordering information from Ethereum shrewd agreements, so it very well may be effectively queryable by dApps. This allows dApps to get the information they need without running their own full hubs or stress over sync times. There are two primary kinds of hubs on the diagram organization: indexers and custodians. Indexer. An indexer is a hub administrator on the chart organization that stakes diagram tokens to give ordering and question handling administration. Indexers acquire compensations as inquiry charges and ordering rewards. As a hub administrator, an indexer is liable for keeping a duplicate of the diagram information and giving admittance to it through a programming interface. As a trade-off for their administrations, they procure expenses from clients who inquiry the information. They may likewise procure rewards for effectively ordering new informational collections onto the organization. Indexers assume a significant part in the chart organization by guaranteeing that information is open and modern. By offering their types of assistance, they help to make the organization more solid and powerful. Indexers are liable for running chart inquiries and keeping up with the record, while custodians stake GRT tokens to flag which subgraphs they believe are significant. By marking tokens, custodians assist with keeping the organization secure and guarantee that main excellent subgraphs are ordered. The diagram token current cost. The diagram is as of now worth 9 cents USD. GRT has moved 3.47% as of now with an exchanging volume of $60,577,315. The diagram is as of now positioned 57 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $814,376,928 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for the chart to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous the diagram market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. The chart value expectation 2023. The diagram, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The GRT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 14 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 13 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. GRT is supposed to have a base worth of 11 cents. The diagram value expectation 2024 out of 2024. The chart GRT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GRT will before long outperform 23 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the GRT's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GRT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 18 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 20 cents. The diagram value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 32 cents and GRT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GRT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 29 cents and a low of 28 cents in 2025. The diagram value expectation 2026, assuming the chart effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans. The GRT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GRT will be green in 2026. The GRT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 42 cents, with a base cost of 37 cents and a typical cost of 39 cents. The chart value expectation 2027, after some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the GRT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 48 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 46 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, GRT has a greatest value worth of 51 cents. The diagram value forecast 2028 because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 57 cents. On the off chance that GRT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 60 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help GRT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 56 cents. The chart value forecast 2029. While GRT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 65 cents and a yearly cost close above 70 cents in 2029. The diagram value expectation 2030 by 2030. The chart will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 74 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 79 cents, averaging out at 76 cents. The chart value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme GRT cost in 2031 is projected to be 91 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 87 cents. And numerous specialists are anticipating that the cost of GRT will increment altogether in the following couple of years, while others accept that it might take more time at the costs to bounce back. By and large, there is a great deal of conflict about what will befall GRT costs from here on out. Notwithstanding, one thing is sure: assuming you're anticipating putting resources into GRT, you ought to do your own exploration and arrive at your own decisions about where you think the costs are going. What is the chart cost today? The diagram is exchanging at 9 cents with a complete market capitalization of $814,376,928. Is the diagram a wise venture? The diagram ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that